You stand at the foot of your own tower, its foundations unseen, but undeniably present within you. For years, you've been building, each brick a decision, each dollar a sacrifice, each achievement a step upwards. You watched it rise, sometimes with pride, sometimes with gnawing unease. From the outside, it's a marvel of ambition, a testament to what can be accomplished when you dare to reach. But have you ever paused, high up in its silent chambers, and wondered about the view from the ground, about the life you left behind? Or perhaps the life you've never truly allowed yourself to live? This is a quiet epidemic of our time. The relentless pursuit of upward mobility. The belief that more is inherently better, that accumulation is the sole metric of worth. We're conditioned to believe that success is a destination, a physical height to be conquered, a peak to be summited. And as we climb, we might gain accolades, financial security, or the admiration of others. We might even convince ourselves that this ascent is the ultimate fulfillment. Yet, for so many, the higher they ascend, the thinner the air becomes, and the more profound the silence. The echoes of past connections, the warmth of shared experiences, the simple groundedness of being truly seen. These often get lost in the rarefied atmosphere of personal achievement. Think about it. Have you ever felt that subtle, yet persistent, loneliness creeping in, even when you're surrounded by the symbols of your success? That feeling that despite all you built, something vital is missing? This isn't a sign of failure. It's a profound human signal, an invitation to look beyond a glittering facade. It's the quiet whisper of your soul asking if the height you've reached is truly aligned with the depth of your well-being. We are often so focused on building the tower, on the act of rising, that we forget to ask ourselves why we are climbing and what we truly hope to find at the summit. Is it peace, connection, a sense of belonging? Or are we simply running from the fear of staying still, the fear of confronting what lies beneath the surface of our ambitious endeavors? This journey is not about tearing down your accomplishments or diminishing your drive. It's about understanding the architecture of your inner world and how it shapes your relationship with abundance. It's about recognizing that true prosperity isn't just about what you accumulate, but about the quality of your inner life, the richness of your connections, and the deep, unwavering sense of self-worth that no external validation can ever fully provide. We've been taught that money is a tool to build external structures, but we rarely discuss how our internal structures, our beliefs, our fears, our deepest desires, are the true blueprints for our financial reality. Are you building a fortress that insulates you or a home that embraces you? Are you climbing towards something or away from something? The answers to these questions lie not in the height of your tower, but in the foundation of your being. Elias Crane's tower, silent and soaring, is a potent metaphor for a deeply human yearning, the quest for security and meaning through external achievement. We, too, can find ourselves ascending, driven by a belief that reaching a certain height will finally silence the inner whispers of doubt and inadequacy. But this narrative isn't about the futility of ambition. It's about profound misunderstanding of what truly sustains us. The air thins at great heights, and while the world below may shrink, the silence within can expand, echoing our own unacknowledged needs. The true wealth, the enduring abundance, is not measured by the number of floors in our financial skyscraper, but by the richness of the life lived on solid ground. It's in the quality of our connections, the depth of our self-awareness, and the quiet confidence that we are enough precisely as we are, regardless of our external circumstances. This realization isn't demotion. It's an elevation of a different kind, an ascension into emotional and spiritual maturity. It's about understanding that while building a life requires effort and strategy, the most profound structures are those built not of brick and mortar, but of love, vulnerability, and authentic self-expression. The journey from the silent tower back to the vibrant ground is not a retreat, but a rediscovery. It's about intentionally choosing to cultivate the inner landscape that supports true well-being, rather than solely focusing on external validation. This involves a conscious shift, an acknowledgement that our relationship with money is a mirror reflecting our internal state. Are we seeking to fill a void with wealth, Or are we cultivating an inner fullness that money can then enhance and support? The greatest financial success is not just about accumulating assets, but about building a life of purpose, connection, and deep inner peace. A life where every floor of experience, from the most humble to the most grand, is filled with the vibrant sound of being truly alive and truly connected. The true practice begins now, not in adding another story to your tower, but in tending to the garden of your soul. It's about listening to the silence, not with fear, but with curiosity, and discovering profound wisdom it holds. It's about integrating the lessons of ascension with the grounding truth of human connection. This is where true self-mastery unfolds, where financial prosperity becomes not an escape from life, but an expression of it. Embrace the journey, not just the top, but also the heart of your own being, for there lies the most profound and lasting abundance. If this story made you think, you're already richer than most, subscribe, and let's keep uncovering what money can't buy.